November 12, 1996. Over the quiet fields of Charkhi Dadri, India, the sky held a secret that would soon shock the world. Two giants of the air were on a collision course that would change aviation forever. Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 763 had just lifted off from Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. On board were 312 people, many of them Indian workers returning to the Gulf, embarking on what should have been a routine journey. At the same time, Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907 was descending toward Delhi. A massive Ilyushin 76 charter, it carried 37 souls, including traders and engineers from Shymkent, nearing the end of their flight. In the Delhi Air Traffic Control Center, the environment was tense but professional. Controller V.K. Dutta was managing a complex web of arrivals and departures using technology that was reaching its limits. The airport relied on primary radar. It could track where the planes were, but not how high they were. For altitude, the controller was blind, forced to rely entirely on the voices and reports of the pilots in the cockpit. Dutta cleared the Kazakh flight to 15,000 feet and the Saudi flight to 14,000, a standard vertical separation of 1,000 feet. But due to a fatal misunderstanding in the Kazakh cockpit, the plane continued its descent. At exactly 1840, the unthinkable happened. 14,000 feet above the Earth, the two aircraft occupied the same space. A collision of metal and fuel that lit up the night sky over Haryana. The impact was cataclysmic. The Saudi 747 disintegrated in mid-air, while the Kazakh jet plunged into the fields below. Debris rained down over several miles, a nightmare unfolding in the silence of the rural countryside. 349 lives were extinguished in an instant. It remains the deadliest mid-air collision in history. In the fields of Charkhi Dadri, families were left to pick up the pieces of lives cut short. The subsequent investigation, led by the Lahoti Commission, pointed to a tragic mix of language barriers and outdated radar. It was a wake-up call for the global aviation industry that could no longer be ignored. Today, TCAS and secondary radar are the standard, born from the lessons of Charkhi Dadri. We fly safer today because of the souls lost that night. Their memory lives on in every safe landing across the globe.